Hey, all right, so in this video, I'm going to answer a question that I get maybe once or twice a month, and that is about how can I change my financial blueprint? In other words, how can I make more money, save more money, completely change my financial legacy, even if I was not born into a wealthy family? Here's the thing you have to know. Most of the millionaires and billionaires in this country were not born into rich families. So if it's a behavioral thing and not a family, a genetic thing, then that means that you can change your financial outlook right now. But there are three things you have to do. Number one, you must get real about your financial picture. You must get real about your financial picture. Most people can identify with not opening the mail, having bill collectors call their homes, avoiding bill collectors. We've all done that. We've all been there. Not a big deal. It's not a big deal. So, but you have to get real about where you are. The only way you can literally change your financial picture this year after you get real is that you have to get committed to doing something different. Now, a lot of people will tell you that you got to change your mindset. And I am one of those people who will tell you that, but I will also tell you in the same breath that as you're changing your mindset and your heart set, you need to change your behaviors. So there's some behaviors that you have right now that have gotten you into the situation that you are in right now, right? So you've got to be willing to get committed to do something different around your finances. Now, that something different could be actually getting a second job. It could be leaving the job where you are because you're not making enough money. It could be getting a promotion where you are. It could be starting your own company. It could be saving more. It could be 100 different things. I don't know your situation, but I do know that if something is missing in your life, there's either something you don't know or something you're not doing. That's the case for all of us. If something is missing in your life, money, love, whatever, there's either something you don't know or there's something you're not doing. And it's the same way with finances. So figure out what it is you don't know. You can do that on the internet. You can find different ways to build your knowledge base about how to make more money, how to bring more wealth into your life. And then you got to figure out what you're not doing. Are you spending too much money? Are you living beyond your means? What are you not doing, or what are you doing or not doing that's causing you to be in the financial situation that you're in? So the first thing you have to do is get real. The second thing you have to do is get committed. And then the third thing you have to do is get going. You have to get going. And you have to know that there's nothing that's too small. Even if you started saving $15 a month, $15 a paycheck, that's better. That's at the end of the year. You have almost what, 350 bucks, 300 bucks. Now, $300 may not sound like a lot of money for some of you. So maybe your number is 3,000 or 3 million. But the point of the matter is, if that's your end goal, if that's your destination, you have to get going. And it's not about the amount of money that you're setting aside. It's about the discipline. Getting rich, becoming wealthy is about discipline. It's about discipline in your thoughts, discipline in your actions, discipline in your behavior. That's what being wealthy and being rich is about. It's about doing certain things that get you to your destination. So those are the three things you need to do to change your financial picture. You need to get real about where you are, get committed to what you want, and get going in the direction of your financial dreams. Until next time, go out there, make your move, make your mark, and make your difference.